What you're about to witness will challenge the very idea of what's possible. This isn't just a car, it's a forgotten relic. A story consumed by rust, but a hidden potential lies dormant beneath its shattered shell. An unbelievable transformation is about to begin. Stay with us as we attempt to resurrect a legend from its grave. The journey starts with a delicate deconstruction, piece by piece. Inside the trunk, a glimpse of the chaos and decay that has taken hold. Even the smallest components are carefully salvaged from the wreckage. With painstaking care, the shattered fragments of the past are cleared away. The vehicle's interior reveals the true, devastating extent of the damage. Years of neglect have left their mark. A canvas of dust and decay. Every inch of the bodywork tells a story of corrosion and fire. The seats, witnesses to its history, are carefully removed. The dashboard, once the car's nerve center, is methodically disassembled. Each part is extracted with a blend of force and precision. Tangled wires and scorched components are all that remain of the interior. Beneath the hood, the deconstruction continues into the car's mechanical heart. The engine, caked in mud, looks as if it's been reclaimed by the earth itself. The battery, the source of its former life, is disconnected and removed. This is the daunting starting point for an astonishing restoration. The first step towards revival, flushing the old fluids from the tired engine. With the car hoisted, the heart of the machine is prepared for extraction. The transmission bleeds its old, tired fluid, a symbol of the decay within disassemble. The intricate inner workings of the gearbox are revealed. Every screw and gear must be carefully documented and removed. Power tools are required to break the bonds of time and rust. The complex layers of the transmission are peeled back one by one. Each component is inspected, its viability assessed for the new build. This meticulous process ensures no detail is overlooked. Now begins the purification, washing away years of grime. After cleaning, the parts are laid out, ready for their transformation. A thorough cleansing, preparing the metal for a new beginning. Even the smallest bolts are purged by fire, erasing any trace of the past. From the ashes of the old, a bold, new identity is forged in vibrant color. The transmission case receives its astonishing new finish. Each coat of paint is a promise of the beauty that is to come. A complete and dramatic departure from its former self. The result, a piece of mechanical art, reborn and ready for assembly. The shocking pink hue signifies a complete rebirth. This is no longer just a part, it's a statement. The now iconic pink transmission is ready for its internal components. But first, the engine block requires the same meticulous attention. It too must be stripped down to its very core. Meanwhile, the transmission rebuild begins. The focus shifts back to the engine, buried under layers of dirt. Hand tools are used to carefully pry loose the ancient components. The power of modern tools against the stubbornness of old mechanics. One by one, the engine reveals its secrets. The process is slow, deliberate, and deeply methodical. Each part removed is a step closer to understanding the whole. This is automotive surgery. Performed with intense focus, decades of wear and tear are carefully dismantled. The complexity of the machine is laid bare. The final pieces of the puzzle are extracted from the engine block. It is a testament to the endurance of its original design. The deconstruction of the engine is almost complete. At last, the engine block is empty. A hollowed shell awaiting rebirth. The last remnants are removed before the cleaning can begin. A final check to ensure nothing is left behind. Completely disassembled, the engine's components await their own transformation. The process of purification begins, washing away the sins of the past. Pistons, cylinders, and parts are submerged, cleansed of their former life. No detail is too small, every bolt is meticulously restored. With a clean block, the reassembly can finally commence. The crankshaft, the engine's backbone, is carefully set in place. The oil pump, the heart of the engine's circulatory system, is installed. Precision is key as the internal mechanics are painstakingly rebuilt. Some parts require reshaping, grinding away imperfections. The intricate dance of assembly continues. Each piece must fit perfectly for the engine to breathe again. The engine slowly comes back to life, piece by resurrected piece. This is a masterclass in mechanical restoration. A steady hand and a deep understanding guide the process. The engine is nearly whole once more. Now, and attention turns to the car's skin, a door consumed by rust. The decay is severe, with holes eaten through the metal. First, the debris is swept away, preparing the canvas. The rotten, rusted metal is chiseled away. The surface is ground down, searching for solid steel. Then, with blinding light, new metal is forged, healing the wounds. The first layer of primer is applied, a base for the new surface. It seals the repaired metal, protecting it from the elements. The entire door is coated, ready for the next stage of its renewal. Body filler is skillfully applied to smooth out the war-torn surface. This artful process reshapes the door's original contours. With the touch of a sculptor, the surface becomes flawless. The entire door is now coated, its imperfections vanished. Now, the meticulous process of sanding begins, creating a perfect canvas. This crucial step ensures a glass-smooth finish. Slowly but surely, the door's new shape is perfected. Even the finest details are addressed by hand. The surface is refined, ready for its final color. Every curve is smoothed to an impeccable finish. The moment of truth, the first coat of vibrant red paint. The color flows, bringing the dead panel back to radiant life. A brilliant, glossy finish erases all memory of the rust that once was. The inner frame of the door receives the same careful cleaning. A sleek, black finish provides a stunning contrast. The transformation is comprehensive, both inside and out. The restored door is now a masterpiece of craftsmanship. The restored door gleams, a testament to the work invested. The same transformative process is applied to the rest of the car's body. Old paint and rust are stripped away to reveal the raw metal beneath. A protective layer of primer is applied, the foundation for a new beginning. Body filler reshapes the panels, erasing decades of dents and damage. The car's form is meticulously sculpted back to its original glory. The long process of sanding begins, smoothing every inch of the bodywork. It is a labor of patience, demanding focus and a steady hand. A team effort to prepare the vast surface for its new identity. Every panel is given the same level of intense scrutiny. This is where the final quality of the paint job is determined. The body becomes smoother than it ever was from the factory. The final preparations are made before the car enters the paint booth. And then the stunning final color is applied, unifying the entire car. The body panel, now a brilliant red, shines under the light. Its flawless surface reflects the dedication poured into its restoration. The final chapter, reassembly. The restored parts are reunited with the body. The car begins to look like itself again, but reborn. Each piece is carefully fitted, bringing the vision to life. The journey from wreck to masterpiece is nearing its end. The final touches are made, fitting the wheels to the revitalized body. The exhaust system, the car's voice, is carefully installed. The front end comes together, defining the car's iconic face. The hood is lowered onto the rebuilt engine, concealing the power within. The restored doors are carefully rehung, completing the shell. Inside, the custom interior is installed, a final flourish of style. The rear glass is set, enclosing the newly finished cabin. The headlights, the eyes of the machine, are put into place. From a forgotten wreck to a roaring masterpiece. The resurrection is complete.
A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel at Restoration Channel 56 for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.